Hello everyone, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make a bow using my bow dabra. So this is the large bow dabra. I also have a mini bow dabra, but in this case, I will be using the large bow dabra as I will be making a wreath, a fall wreath. I'm working on it right now actually, and I will be creating a bow using this beautiful burlap ribbon. And you can purchase this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. This is not in the fall section, so you can purchase this ribbon in the regular ribbon section. And the regular price is $7.99, but you can buy it on sale, 50% off every other week. So let's start off. We're gonna start off making our tails of this bow. So, well, first of all, I'm going to put my pipe cleaner inserted into the bow maker. I normally use the bow dabra bow wire, but in this case, because this is a thicker material and it will be a thicker bow, I will be using these pipe cleaners. Alright, so we're going to start off by working on the tails. This is the length. And I will also make sure to add the link down below so you know where you can purchase your bow dabra. It's really easy to use and there's a lot you can do with it. Okay, I'm just trying to place the bow maker so it's easier for you guys to see how I make this bow. So make sure when you make your bow, your print of the ribbon is always showing upwards, and that way your bow looks beautiful and the print is always showing. All right, so we insert the tip, and you're gonna make a loop as big as you want. Normally my loops are about 4 or 5 inches. Let me measure it for you. So this is about 4.5. So 4.5. And then I'm going to do a twist so that the print of the ribbon is always showing on the bow. On top of the bow. So as you can see, now I have 2 loops, one on each side. And this ribbon is very beautiful. Will be perfect for any season actually. So it's not only good for fall, it's also perfect for Christmas or any time of the year. If you like the farmhouse style look, this is also a really good ribbon to use. So we're gonna do another loop, same process. So now we have a total of 4 loops. Okay. Now the next loop, I want to make it a little bit smaller than the 2 previous loops. So now we have a total of 6. Just another more. Twist. I want to take the time to say thank you everyone who has been subscribing. I hope you like my videos and like my content. Make sure to keep following so you can see my future videos. This is the first year I'm here on YouTube, so It's the first time I'll be working on fall and Christmas. I've done Christmas wreaths before, but it's going to be the first time here on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and you can find some ideas that I have there for Christmas and fall. So now we're going to create the loop, a small loop that's going to be on top of the bow. And there's a little bit of leftover of the ribbon. So I pretty much used about half a roll of this ribbon. So you can make about maybe two bows with this. Let's see here, the leftover. This. Now with the wand, I'm going to scrunch it down. Now, it's a little easier when I use the Bow Debra wire. Pressure and turn it back, and you're going to tie it on the back, make 2 twists. I love the print of this ribbon. You're going to cut off the tails. You can cut it different ways. You can leave it as it is, or you can cut it diagonal this way, or you can fold it in half and just, let's show you like this. So it will look like a triangle, kind of like a triangle. There you go. Same with the other one. So now we're going to fluff the bow. I like to start off with the bottom part of the bow. Some people start with the top and go all the way to the bottom, but I like to start with the bottom first. Don't forget to give a like on this video. It will let me know that you like this content. And I've noticed a lot of people have been liking my video I made, I don't know, I think it was like 4 months ago, on how to make a bow. So I would try to make more bows, different techniques, and teach you guys how to make different types of bows with the bow maker and without. And this bow maker is really affordable, so don't forget to check the website. It's going to be down below in the link. The link is going to be down below, I'm sorry. And you can check it out and purchase your own bow maker, especially now that the holidays are coming. It's really helpful. You can make bows for your gift wrapping, or you can really decorate anything with bows. So don't forget to check it out. And if you purchase one, you can let me know in the comments. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you make any of the bows I teach you here, tag me in your pictures and I'll be happy to see, and I can also share your pictures on my Instagram. So this is how it looks, and I will be using this bow to place it on my wreath. I'm working on wreaths for fall, as I'll be going to a local farmer's market. So I'm working on wreaths for fall. So I'm using this one. I'm still, okay, let me fix the camera here. I'm working on this wreath, and I plan on adding this beach, well, it's like a, what color is this? Like a tan sunflower. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I'm still thinking of the design. I'm going to add some maple leaves on this one. I'm repurposing this wreath. I've made it last year, and I'm trying to do something new with this one. So I might add the bow here, and then the flowers here, top and bottom, and add some leaves maybe. I don't know, I'm still debating. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you can actually see a picture on how it would turn out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.